shit. Hello? I'm at home right now. Where are you?
I'm in the science lab right now.
Oh, great. So, see, I want to ask you something. So, are you busy or what are you, or you're feeling about it? So, see, I have something very important to do.
Yeah.
Karena itu, kalau Pak,
Can't do anything, okay? Don't disturb me. If it is, that's all. You die.
sir, bayangkan untuk pakai oleh. Itu dah, kau tahu kau? Apa? Duit kita sedang. Ini lang anak sini. Ipi bola di sini gambar senahan. Ipi bola gambar senahan. Sudah. Sir, I think you see me. I'm so sorry. It was my mistake. Tu chân chi nang. Lúc nên nuôi quay pa chu kan lo do ta sita. Thế nào? Bos po ba? Ama he, nu lang Asia part. Ama he có ham nét nè. Ít lô đường chứ mà. Chứ nên trời sẽ ít lô đường. Shit. Hello? Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright. What took you so long? Yeah. You were inside for a long time. Where is my brother? My brother? That's not your brother. Sorry, what? We all are the same clone of Mr. Paul. Okay? So, no, here's something. I think it's some kind of mistake. There are thousands of clones of us. So what I'm trying to say is, there are the good clone and the bad clone. So there is something that separates us. You know what? If you need your brother or your clone or your twins or whatever, if you need, you have to go through. Okay, fine, let's go. Do you think you can use your force power to defeat me? What is this? You think that was foolish, okay? this whole time I was manipulating. Okay? I used this for time traveling. Okay? And that was a clone of me. So if you want your brother or your twins or whatever, you have to go through me. I am the real guy. Trust me. Alright, so where's my brother? You wanna go through me? We can fight. If you win me, I will give you your brother. I will put him into life back. If you are willing,